Hi there, students. Baroque. Baroque. An adjective. So what does Baroque mean? I think when we use Baroque in English, we mean something has got a lot of decoration. It's very decorated. It's extravagant in style. It's very ornate. So the decoration of the hotel was very Baroque. It was extremely Baroque. I think this one is gradable. Yeah. Okay, so I'm saying it was highly decorated. Now, the question is this positive or negative? I think most commonly we use it negatively, saying that something is too decorated, it's too intricate, it's got too many extra details, but not necessarily. You could just use Baroque to say that it's highly decorated, it's got a lot of decoration. So the language in his poem is Baroque. Is that positive or negative? It's just saying he's using unusual language. So, Jinty Neog, sometimes your choice of words are a bit Baroque, yeah? They're ornate, they're interesting, they're different. They're not always suitable, though. Okay, so Baroque, ornate or over-elaborate, one or the other, yeah? Let's see, Baroque also we use to refer to architecture in the 17th and 18th century, to music and to art as well. So Baroque architecture is something with lots and lots and lots of ornamentation. As I said before, particularly using curves as opposed to straight lines. Yeah, so if you've ever been to Versailles near Paris, this is Baroque, or the work of Sir Christopher Wren. Yeah, then Baroque in music, maybe Vivaldi or Bach could also be defined as Baroque, or in art, Caravaggio or Rubens. You can find a lot of Baroque style architecture in churches and cathedrals. Okay, so if you say that something is Baroque, it means it's very florid. It's got lots and lots of decoration to it, lots of style. Yeah, the Baroque way of writing that this author has sometimes makes it difficult to get in, to understand exactly what he means. So something extravagantly ornate, extravagantly ornamented, but especially when it's in rather bad taste, it just goes over the top, it goes too far. Yeah, I think Baroque can be beautiful, but it very often goes over the top and is just too much. Yeah, so a Baroque church, Baroque music, Baroque opera, yeah, it's highly decorated with lots of extra little things. Yeah, some of his theories are rather Baroque. They are just so complicated, so bizarre, that they have become extravagant. Okay, let me go to the origin now. The origin of Baroque comes actually from Portuguese, from Barroco, talking about an irregular pearl. And in jewellery, the word Baroque means irregular. Yeah, an irregular pearl. Maybe that Portuguese word comes from the Latin word verruca, a wart. Maybe, maybe not. Okay, so Baroque, formality. This word sounds pretty literary. Yeah, it's a good descriptive word. He puts so many spices in his food that the taste is almost Baroque. Yes, this sounds literary. I'm going to give it a 7 in formality. I don't think I'd use it in an informal conversation, as I think that many native speakers, they've heard the word, but they don't know what it means. Okay, so Baroque, ornate, intricate, decorated, laden with detail. Yeah, and then you have Baroque architecture, you have Baroque music, you have Baroque art. Okay, so it's got lots and lots of detail, but very often saying it's got too much detail to it. So Baroque, a good word. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Baroque.